Hey there, it's Dan here from Tech Support, and today I would like to show you how to share a dynamic videos campaign through Mailshake. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already standing here on my dynamic videos campaign. Everything has been filled out and it is ready to be launched. So if you haven't done this before, no worries because I'll leave a link right below where you can see how to start a campaign from scratch. Okay, so that being said, we can simply go ahead and click on Share Campaign. So we can now look for mail. Yep, there we go, Mailshake. So you can simply make a, of course, single click there, and you'll notice that we'll have this message Mailshake copy to clipboard. So we're ready to continue. Okay. So back into Mailshake here, we need to, of course, start a campaign. So I'll just do one from scratch, so you can see everything that I'm doing. And I have, of course, selected the email, the sender email that I'm going to use, and just simply jump to prospects here. Okay. So this section is actually very important, and we actually suggest, let me show you, to use the same CSV file that you used here to create this campaign, to put it right here. So I have already done that. I have already downloaded this, so I'm going to simply choose the file here, and here it is, open. Okay. And let me just do this real quick here. Let me check first name, that's great. Phone number, none, but company, yes. Okay, so that's basically all that I want. I'll select job title as well, and then I'll import the prospects. So this may take just actually a few seconds, not a few minutes, because we're only talking about, yes, 3 prospects. Okay, so we're good to continue now. Let me go ahead and click on sequence, create a new sequence, and we're just doing an email just to make it very, very simple in this case. So this will be just a test, of course. Okay, so remember that what we did before on our dynamic videos campaign was to copy the snippet code. Okay, so we just need here to go whenever you're ready with, of course, just building up your template or your email. You can just go Control V or Command V, and that will simply paste the code. Okay. One thing is that you'll need to just delete this space here, so you can just leave it correctly. And the other thing that I need to mention here is that, of course, what you're seeing here is actually the main video, what we have here in the front. So no worries, because this is how it works. Dynamic videos, of course, is a complex feature, and it actually, you won't be able to see anything here yet. You'll only be able to see whenever you get actually the final result. Okay. So of course, if you're doing this for the first time, you might be more comfortable doing a test campaign to your own email to see how it looks. But anyway, we do have another step where we can actually see how the background changes. Okay, so because everything is ready, we can just go ahead and, oh, and one more thing, sending the test email won't work. I have this actually right here. I have used a few variables here, and as you can see, it doesn't work. So this is just a test, and it doesn't bring up the dynamic video. So that's what I'm telling you, that you won't be able to see it right now. Okay. So that being said, let me go ahead and click on, yep, I'm just going to create this here because it is a template. So I can now continue to personalize. And now this is the section where we are actually allowed to see the background. Okay. So as you can see here, we have different backgrounds set for each of the prospects that I uploaded, which are just basically 3. And it is also what you can see right here. Okay. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Each of your prospects will get the dynamic background here, and just for you to know, when you click here, download CSV file, you will only download the prospects that had no issues whatsoever in the creation of the video. So you'll know that you'll get a clean campaign. Okay, so that being said, please let me know if you have any questions. I'm Dan from Tech Support. Have a great day. Bye bye.